By default, Sourcetree comes with this light theme, which is overly bright if you ask me. But if you want, you can change that to dark theme. So let me show you. Go to Tools, Options, and find this little drop-down menu and click on it, and you will be able to select from light and dark. Select dark, click OK, and that's it. Now you have more pleasant colors for your eyes. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to leave your comments and share this video with other people. Don't forget to press like and subscribe buttons, it means a lot to us. Also, if you're interested to get to know us better, check out our website at valsogard.com. And again, thank you for watching and see you soon.